Hi, this is Grand Carbon, a leading carbon brush manufacturer in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India, a manufacturer of all types of carbon graphite products, and exists since 2000. The total area of the factory is 2000 sq.ft, with a constructed shed, pan-India door-to-door delivery, exporter of carbon brush, international order accepted 100% assured delivery, standard stock inventory management, and now come to Look sector where we serve our carbon brush and graphite products. At a once glance, carbon brush for railway RDSO, special grade carbon brush for power plant, wind turbine carbon brush for sugar mill, carbon brush for cement factory, all types of power tools carbon brush, industrial other graphite products. We are using high technique standard manufacturing ways standard quality check management. Because of your trust, our pride. Our team always ready to assist you by 24/7. Your feedback is very important for us and for others as well. Thanks for watching this video.